What if I told you that you can make a silky, rich chocolate mousse cake with only 2 ingredients? No cream, no eggs, just fruit or veggie puree and dark chocolate. Hi, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name's Amanda, registered dietitian and mom of 2, and I love helping families make nutritious meals taste amazing. This 2-ingredient chocolate mousse cake is so decadent, nourishing, and endlessly adaptable. I can't wait to show you how easy it is to come together. First off, let's start with the magic formula. We're gonna need 200 grams of cooked fruit or veggie puree and 100 grams of dark chocolate. I like using 70% dark chocolate, but a 50 or 60% would work as well. The reason why this recipe works is basic food science. The pectin that's found in fruits and the starch that's found in vegetables binds to the cocoa butter found in chocolate, allowing it to set like mousse. No gelatin or cream required. Now that you know the basic ratio, it's time to choose your base. For a lighter, more delicate mousse, go for fruits that are rich in pectin, such as apple, pear, nectarine, peach, or quince fruit. Choose semi-ripe fruit as it has higher levels of pectin and less water content. This allows you to have a creamier mousse that sets well and can be sliced easily. For a denser truffle-like mousse, use starchy vegetables like butternut squash, carrots, kabocha squash, pumpkin, or sweet potato. Their natural starches will thicken the mixture beautifully. After you choose your base of either pectin-rich fruit or starchy vegetable, the next step is to cook your fruit or vegetable until fork tender. You can either roast or steam. Don't boil, as this will add too much additional water and making the mousse hard to set. Once your fruit or vegetable is fork tender and piping hot, you're gonna add it into your blender along with 100 grams of dark chocolate. You're gonna blend until it's smooth and glossy and thick. At this point, you can keep your mousse classic or elevate it with additional flavor add-ins such as vanilla or almond extract, grated citrus zest, cinnamon, cardamom, or ginger, or a spoonful of your favorite nut butter. Let's go ahead now and prepare a Bosch pear chocolate mousse cake. We're going to need 200 grams of cooked pear puree, so that's roughly 2 medium-sized pears. Let's go ahead, peel and dice the pears, then place directly onto a steamer basket. We're going to steam the pears for 5 minutes or until just fork tender. Now, into your blender, combine the piping hot cooked pears and dark chocolate. Blend until smooth. Today, I'm going to amp up the flavors even more by adding a splash of pure vanilla and 1 tablespoon of hazelnut butter into this mousse. Look at this luscious mousse. All right, let's go ahead and transfer it into a 6-inch cake mold. I got this really neat adjustable stainless steel cake ring from IKEA. Smooth the top and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight for the cleanest slice. A 6-inch cake will give you roughly 8 servings, and each serving will provide 100 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbohydrates with 3 grams of that being fiber, 1 gram of protein, and it even has 10% of your daily value for iron. If you want to turn this mousse cake into a total showstopper, add a simple date and nut crust underneath. Just pulse pitted medjool dates with toasted nuts. I used hazelnuts to pair the hazelnut butter in the mousse. It's a perfect make-ahead dessert and you can even freeze the whole cake. Just thaw at room temperature for about an hour before serving. And if you have kids, you can transfer the chocolate mixture into popsicle molds and make delicious fudgesicles with 2 ingredients. It's been about 4 hours now, so let's serve this up. You can serve this cake just simply as is, or with a dusting of cocoa powder, maybe garnished with some fruit, chopped nuts, or a little bit of whipped cream. You guys, so creamy. You will not believe that this only took 2 ingredients. All right, let's see what my husband thinks.
Okay. Nice. Ooh. That's pretty good.
What do you taste?
It still tastes of pear,
Okay.
but it's not that like crazy. The chocolate's very pronounced.
How's the texture?
Texture's nice and soft.
Okay.
I have a little bit of like graininess, but it's not terrible. I can kind of taste the hazelnut too. That's good. You have more?
Every variation starts with the same basic formula. 200 grams of cooked fruit or vegetable puree and 100 grams of dark chocolate. One recipe, so simple and endlessly creative. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your loved ones. And until next time, relish every bite.